Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and today we're going to make the zombie to be able to chase us. So yeah, let's get started. First, let's go to the link in the description, and you want to download all these zombie idle, zombie running, and zombie walk files. Then, you want to go to the enemy folder and zombie 1 and animations and add all those if you haven't added those yet, and you want to select the zombie 1 skeleton for the animations. So, okay. Now we want to go back to the enemy folder to here, and we want to actually create a AI controller for the zombie. So blueprint class, and let's search for AI controller, like this. And let's call it AIC underscore zombie, for example. Now we want to create a behavior tree, and let's call it PT underscore zombie. And next thing, we want to create a blackboard. Let's call it pp underscore zombie, for example. Now we want to open the AIC zombie, and we want to go to the event graph, and let's remove this event tick. And here from the event begin play, we want to run behavior tree like this. Now we want to select the behavior tree that we want to run, which is pt zombie. Let's compile and save. And now we actually want to go to the pp enemy main blueprint class, and from here we want to search for AI. Now we have the AI controller here. We want to change this to the AIC zombie that we just created. Okay, compile and save. And next thing we want to do is we want to actually open the pp zombie behavior tree like this, and we want to create a new task. Let's actually create a new folder called tasks. Oh, what did I? Tasks, like that. Oh, what did I do? Sorry about that. I'm stupid. I actually want to create a new task and create first a new folder called tasks. And now I want to open this folder and create a new task called pt underscore chase player, like that. Yep. And now from here we want to get the event receive execute AI, this one. Now after this we want to cast to our first person character, and from the object we want to get the get player controller, like that. Now we want to compile, and why isn't it working? Okay, I will check this. Okay, let's try again. Get player character, like this. Let's compile. Okay, now it works. I don't know what was happening before, but I think it just glitched because I had this connected. So if you want to make it work, first cast, then get this object, and then connect this. Then it doesn't glitch, I think. At least I cannot see any other reason. Okay, and after that we want to AI move to, so this one, and to the pawn we actually want to connect this controlled pawn. Now let's add a few reroutes here, like this, and to the target actor we want to connect our player. Okay, acceptance radius, this is the radius, like as how close he comes to us or to the target actor. I will make like maybe 20 or something like that. And after, from here, we want to finish, execute this one. And we want to click this success. And from the success also, like that. And now we want to duplicate this here and on from the fail, and now success to false. Okay, compile, save, let's close. Now we are on the bt underscore zombie. Here we actually want to add a sequence. Let's add its sequence to here. And from this sequence, we want to actually call the bt chase player like this. Okay, now let's save and close. Now the player cannot move without that nav mesh. So we have to click from here and search for nav mesh bounce volume. And now I don't know why this is lagging so much. Sorry about that. I don't know. Now let's move that there. And, oh, where did it go? Nav mesh bounce volume. It's here. Okay. Now I want to extend it a little bit to the sides like this and to there like that. Let's check how annoying, this is not working very well, my computer. Okay, I think that's okay now. Let's actually make it a little bit smaller like that. Okay, and then let's remove these things from here. Okay, and also I want to remove that. Okay, then we want to check that it's touching the ground. So yeah, it is. And now we want to click the P. So the P key, so you can preview the nav mesh. Green area is the area where the AI can move. So now we can actually try if it works. I don't know why this is lagging so much. I don't know what's happening with my computer today. This is not good. Let's check again. Okay, and now he's not moving. Okay, my Unreal is crashing. Sorry about this. I will reopen this. So now let's try again. Okay, he's super quick, faster than me, faster than I. Let's go to here and let's actually change his max walk speed to the 30 because I will make that the first round starting walking speed. So let's make it 30. Okay, now he's moving, he's following us. Now we actually want to add those animations. So let's go to the zombie one and to the animations. Now we want to create a animation blueprint. Let's call it, actually first we want to select the zombie one skeleton. Let's call it app underscore zombie. And now we want to open it. And we actually want to go to the event graph. And we want to get from try get pawn owner. Let's cast from here. Cast to enemy main like this, and let's connect it to here. And from here we want to promote this to a variable like that. And now I actually want to select all these and collapse to function like that. Now this function should be called casts, at least for me. Now I can close that casts. And actually we want to get the begin event blueprint begin play. And we also want to connect the casts to there. Okay. After that, we want to get this one more time, and we want to get the player move, character movement, character get character movement like this, and from here we want to get the velocity, which is here, this yellow one. And now we actually want to vector length x, y, this one. And one more thing, now we have to promote this to a variable, connect it to here, like that. And I will call this float variable ground underscore speed. Okay, now we can compile and save. Now we can go to the anim graph, and we actually want to add a default slot so we can later play some anim montages. So default slot like this. And after that we want to create a state machine. The state machine should be called locomotion, for example. Now we can open this. We want to create a new state, and let's create another state. And this first state should be called, that first state should be called idle. And the next one should be movement. Here we can actually add this zombie idle animation like this. Now let's go back here, and now we can add this rule. So this rule should be ground speed greater than 1. You can also make it 0, but then if the zombie moves like 0.0001, then it will play the animation a little bit, so I think 1 is better. So here, now we can add this rule that it gets back. Here we want to get the ground speed, get less than 1. Okay, compile and save. Now we actually want to create this movement blend space. So let's right click animation, legacy, blend space 1D, and let's select the skeleton, which should be zombie 1 skeleton. Let's call this locomotion. Now we want to open that. Let's make this maximum speed like 300 maybe. Then we want to add a zombie idle animation to there, and zombie walk, let's put it here, and we want to make it 30 and 0.75. If I remember correctly, we don't have to do anything more yet. Now we can close that and go to the movement. Now we can get this locomotion connected to here, and also get this ground speed variable and connect it to there. And we can actually go back to the locomotion and change this axis name to speed, just so it's more clear in the future. Now it says speed here. Okay, compile and save. And the next thing we want to do is we can actually close this, and we can go to the enemy folder and to the pp enemy main. Open that and go to the character movement, and we already did that. I didn't remember that. Okay, we can actually just check how it looks. Okay, it is not playing because we haven't set it yet. So let's go to the pp enemy main and to the mesh, and from here use animation blueprint, and from here app zombie, like that. Now we can check how it looks. Okay, we have to turn him a little bit, so let's go here and to the rotation and set and -90, like that. Compile and save, and now let's check. Okay, that looks pretty okay, but I think it has some glitches here. Yeah, okay, that doesn't look good. We can fix that by going to the pp enemy main and going to the here pp enemy main self. Now we want to search for yaw and use controller rotation yaw. We want to check this, make this false. Now we want to go to the character movement, and we want to search for orient rotation to movement, like that, and then rotation rate, let's make this like 540. Okay, now we can compile and save. Now it doesn't, it's much smoother. My computer is lagging, but you can see from your game that it's much smoother. But still we have this problem. Okay, we have to add some blending time to the animations. So yeah, let's go back to the app zombie. So to the animation blueprint, and we want to go here to the locomotion, and we want to change this duration to like 0.6 maybe. This, okay, we can actually make this both like 1. Check how it looks. So 1 and 1. Check. Oh, we also want to. Okay, let's do one more thing. Let's go to the locomotion. Let's actually change this idle from the 0 to the zombie walk, and now we want to change this zombie walk speed to 0.01, like that. Okay, now we can check again how it looks. Okay, that's too slow, so we want to change this to like maybe like 0.5 and 0.5. You can change these as you want, but those are good for me. Now we want to go back to the locomotion, and I actually want to set a little smoothing time here, so like 0.2 maybe. Let's save, close this, and let's play. Okay. Now he's not lagging, at least that much. Yeah, I think everything is working. He's following us. Yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. Yeah, I think this was all for this video, and in the next one we will actually make the zombie to be able to hit us, so, and actually give us some damage. So yeah, but yeah, if you liked the video, please click the like button, and if you want to see more, please click the subscribe button. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.